There's a gigantic heat punch. Oh, I'm getting it right now. Woo! The gardening season is coming to an end near me, so I have been harvesting a lot of jalapenos out of my garden. Today, I'm going to show you how to use them. We're going to make some cowboy candy. Now, you may be questioning, what is cowboy candy? Cowboy candy is essentially a candied jalapeno. Think of it like a very sweet pickled jalapeno. Tons of sugar, a little bit of vinegar, and a few other spices. Quick and easy, so let's get to it. So here we've got 15 jalapenos. I picked these today in my garden. Pretty straightforward process. Just going to do nice slices. If you want to take the seeds out, you can. I'm going to leave them in, because with the amount of sugar that is in this, it shouldn't be overly spicy. I'll chop the rest of these up and I'll bring you right back. All sliced up, let's get our spices together. To begin, I'm going to start with 1.5 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to put this on the stovetop, melt all the sugar, get all this incorporated, and then we're going to add a few more things into it. Once your sugar is melted, we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. Normally, you would use whole mustard seeds, but I'm out, so I'm substituting the powder. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed, and 1 teaspoon of salt. This is kosher salt. Mix this all in. Drop in your jalapenos. This is going to go back on the heat until these jalapenos have had a chance to soften up. And just a little piece of advice, when you're handling these, wear a glove. If not, you need to wash your hands thoroughly after handling them. They've cooked down about 10 minutes or so. They've softened up. You'll notice that they've gone from that vibrant green color that they were when they started out, kind of dulled out. Going to take a slotted spoon, drain all that off, and you're going to transfer them to a mason jar. All transferred. Now we're going to return the liquid back to the heat. We're going to reduce it by about 1/3, get it a little more syrupy, and then we're going to pour it on top of these. Had the liquid on the stove for about 5 to 6 minutes, reducing it down. Now we're going to pour it over the top. You want them completely covered. Going to let these come down to room temperature, and then we're going to try them. Cowboy candy. Let's give it a taste. First thing, it tastes like any jam that you had a million times, and then all of a sudden, there's a gigantic heat punch. Oh, I'm getting it right now. Woo! Don't expect this process to kind of tamp down the heat on some of these. Part of my approach to gardening is to stress my plants just a little bit, and that tends to make the jalapenos a little spicier in the finished product, and I am definitely feeling it right now. Really sweet at the front, punch of heat at the back. Really good stuff. Now, obviously, you're not going to just throw this on a plate and eat a pile of it. This is a really good accompaniment to things like a baked potato. You could dress up some chicken salad or some tuna fish, something like that. Throw it on top of baked beans. It's really good. This is just a little side item, something to brighten up, punch up those dishes that you might be getting bored with. Consider giving it a try. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider giving me a like, a subscribe, or drop me a comment. I would greatly appreciate it. Every time you do that, it helps to push me out to just a few more people. So help me to continue to spread the word. And with that, get up, go out, cook some good food, be a little bit better tomorrow than you were today, and I'll catch you next time.